Hi, can I have a grande pumpkin spice frap? Do you have any multigrain bagels? Good morning, guys. I'm not sure how productive this day in the life is going to be. If you're looking for one of those like get it all done, super motivating videos, this is probably not going to be the one. Yeah, I'm barely hanging on today. For some reason, I just didn't sleep very well. I just dropped off the kids about 10 minutes ago, and I'm in that stage where I'm like, okay, calm down. The kids are gone. Focus. Get your life together, girl. What are you going to do today? I did make a list of some of the errands I need to do last night in bed, which are just kind of out and about things that I need to do. Post office, I buy some ingredients because I'm making a homemade deep conditioning treatment for my girls. I need to return a couple things. I'm gonna go in here really quickly just as a walk-in at the nail salon. Hopefully I can get in because I broke a nail and I need a fill. This set that I have on now is the first set that I have done in the past year and a half since I've lived in Vegas. So I'm trying to keep it up. And of course, in true Christy fashion, I broke 2 nails and I waited way too long for a fill. So I think after I do this fill and they come off, I'm not gonna do any more for a while because I just can't keep up and I'm not that kind of girl, you know? I mean, I'd like to be, but reality is I'm not that type of girl. So yeah, welcome to my day. Let's hang out. All right, actually got out of there in record time. They look beautiful. Back in action, ready for vacay. Just got off the phone with Ace's vision optometrist, and he's gonna need to do a full exam. We took him to the doctor's last week for like a 9-year-old checkup, physical. Everything was great, except for, you know, things were a little off with his eye exam. So I'm worried for him. I think he has the 20/40 vision. So we are going to a real optometrist to figure that out and figure if he needs glasses or what he needs. So we made an appointment for tomorrow at 5. Got that done. I am now at the post office, going to go in. I know there's some packages waiting for me from people that have been watching our channel and they sent in things. So I'll definitely show you what I got, and I will update you on lots of different updates that are going on with the kids and the family, what we're doing this weekend, who we're meeting up with. Yeah, see you in a minute. But first, safety. All right, let's go. Here we are. Oh, we got a package. Got this package from Organic Beauty. I'm really stoked for this because y'all know I love my Tinkle teasers, but these I've heard really good things about. There's some brushes in here and it's quite heavy, so I don't know what else is in here. I'm definitely gonna have to check it out when I get home. I don't even think I've been to a Ross since I've lived in Vegas. I'm at the Walmart parking lot. I do want to pop into Ross really, really quickly because I want to see if they have some sports bras because I need a new one for working out. So I'm going to do that quickly and then we'll go into Walmart. I'm clearly getting distracted. I'll have to show you what I got, but I'm actually doing a makeover on Tolly and Lily's room, and it's like this rainbow ombre vibe. And I got a ombre rug from Ruggable, but I'm not sure if this is gonna be too much, but dude, it's only 20 bucks. I'm gonna have to look up the rug and see if it's too much or not. I don't know if you all saw what I was wearing today, but I don't know. Of course I get stuck in the hair aisle. I needed some new nylon bands for the little girl's hair. But then I saw these and I was like, how freaking cute are these? They're like fuzzy, super soft. I have so many of them, so I can't justify it. But if someone needs these and they only have maybe one daughter, come get these, please, because I'm not getting them and I need someone to get them because they're so darn cute. All right, so I did get what I needed ingredients that I want to put in my make your own deep conditioning treatment. So you guys will see that soon. Home sweet home, about to pick up the kiddos. I put all the stuff that I want to show you that I got from the store and from the post office. Some people sent me some things, which is really fun and exciting to open up. It is the next day. I'm sorry I wasn't able to finish the vlog yesterday. Responsibilities as a mama and a wifey came into play and I just wasn't able to finish it. But here I am about to show you the things that I got. I did put some of the things away that I got at Ross and Walmart. Was just some DIY deep conditioning stuff that I'm gonna be doing in my next video. So I will save that for the next video. But at Ross, I got this cute top. Let me turn you around. I grabbed this top. I thought it would go perfectly with these pleather pants that I have that I want to do for a photo shoot this holiday season. So I grabbed that and it was only $8.99. My girls needed some index cards and these were just too cute. So I grabbed these and I love that they're on a ring. I also grabbed these cute little workout shorts. It does come with a sports bra, but I saw it had a little spot on it, so I threw it in the wash. I also grabbed these organization bins from Ross. I like them because they have a lid and I got 2 for under my sink and 2 for under Ed's sink. Coil Beauty sent me this gorgeous doll and this doll is right up our alley. I cannot wait to show the girls. This is so adorable. Her name is Nia, New Age of Natural Hair Care. So super cute. And I love her poofs. Look how adorable she is. I think this doll seems to be inspired to teach young girls about different hair textures, which I really, really love. You know, you guys know that's like right up my alley. So I'm really excited. It also came, where is that book? Here is the book, God Created Me Coily. Look how gorgeous she is. It's by Robin Butler and it's about a little girl named Nia who questions why she has coily textured hair. And then a company called Tubby Todd sent me some products. We've got some everyday lavender and rosemary lotion. I love that it has mango, avocado, and cucumber extract, some hair and body wash, and then some all over ointment. So thank you so much, Tubby Todd Bath Co. for sending me these products. I'm really excited to try them out. How smart is that to include the pumps? Oh, look at this cute sticker. Oh, I love this. I love this so much. I don't know, where should I put this? And the moment I have been waiting for, I am so excited. This is by Organic Beauty. It's the Ultimate Detangling Set. I love it. Treat your hair like a planet. Water it, nourish it, be gentle with it. I love it. I love this. Oh, it's so pretty. And I'm so into like black and gold right now. There is 2 different detangling brushes, a pink one, which we have one really, really similar to it. And then a purple one, so pretty. This is Intense Growth Serum. Gonna have to try that. We've got a rat tail comb, could never have enough of those. 100% natural marshmallow root and slippery elm leave-in detangler. This should work really well with the detangling brushes. We got some really cute and unique hair ties, and then this gorgeous spray bottle. I love these spray bottles, and I really need one downstairs when I get the little one's hair ready in the morning for school. So thank you so much, Organic Beauty, for sending me this set. It's such a surprise to receive things in the mail, but what I love most is the letters. I absolutely love receiving letters and I really appreciate the feedback and the appreciation. I love hearing your stories of how you found me. I just absolutely love it. So sweet. And someone actually sent me some hair accessories for the girls. Much appreciated. Thank you guys so much.